Okay, so how to start a Django application from scratch. The first thing you need to do is make a new directory, and I'm calling my new folder, so I'm creating a new folder, and then you cd into your the directory you just created, the folder you just created, and then you going to create a virtual environment. That's where you would install your Django and whatever else you would need for your application. Then cd into your virtual environment, and then scripts activate. That's just to activate the virtual environment, and then you can just cd back, and then pip install Django, because we are building a Django application. And then once Django is installed, you can just pip freeze to actually see if it is installed onto the virtual environment. So that might take a while. Okay, so you can see Django is installed, and what you can do is django-admin. Just type it in properly. Django-admin start project, and then I'm just gonna name mine my project, but the name can be whatever project you're working on. And then that takes about sometimes a couple of seconds usually. Okay, so once you started your project, you just python manage.py migrate, that's to migrate all the changes, and then python manage.py runserver, and then a URL will show up here at the bottom, and then all you really have to do is copy that URL and then paste it into your browser. Okay, so there's the URL, and then just copy that and paste it in the browser, and there you go. So the install worked successfully. Congratulations. And then this is how the folder would look. They just created the Django project. So there's your views, models, settings.py, and then just add the app you created called my app. There you go. And then you can add whatever else needs to be added, and that's how you build a simple Django app from scratch. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.